Are you getting future homes ready with a switch to heat pumps and 15mm pipe? Introducing the new GRS-DUO-15 radiator pipe guide and seal. Updates to the building regulations Part L are driving the move towards heat pumps and consequently 15mm pipes to accommodate lower flow temperatures. This makes the GRS-DUO-15, with its unique twin plate design, an ideal solution for the larger 15mm pipes, which are harder to manipulate behind the plasterboard. The mount plate is designed for use at the first fix stage, to act as both a clamp and a guide for the pipework behind the plasterboard. It is quick and easy to thread the pipes and position the mount plate on the wall. A single fixing anchors the plate to the wall and clamps the pipes in their intended position, ideal with the stiffer 15mm pipe. The channels guide the pipework accurately. The mount plate can also be used in studded walls and with mid-stud pattress boards. The multiple fixing options allow for installation in a wide range of details. The cover plate is for use at the second fix stage, to both conceal the pipework penetration and create an airtight seal around it. Once plasterboarded and decorated, the cover plate can be easily slid up the pipework into position. Push the cover plate firmly upwards prior to fixing to ensure a tight fit to the wall. The cover secures into the mount plate with a single fixing. No plasterboard fittings required. So, get in touch today for your free sample.